For years, the automotive world has whispered of a resurrection, not of a deity, but of something arguably as sacred to car enthusiasts, the Honda S2000. As we approach 2024, those whispers are growing louder, coalescing into rumors of a potential 2026 release. Could the legendary Roadster be making a comeback? The original S2000, produced from 1999 to 2009, was a masterpiece of engineering and design. Its high-revving, naturally aspirated engine, razor-sharp handling, and classic Roadster proportions earned it a devoted following and cemented its place in automotive history. Its discontinuation left a void in Honda's lineup and in the hearts of enthusiasts everywhere. What the rumors suggest. The latest rumors, fueled by automotive blogs and industry insiders, paint a tantalizing picture of the potential 2026 S2. Turbocharged power, the new S2000 is widely speculated to adopt a turbocharged engine. The most popular theory points to a variant of the potent 2.0-liter turbo found in the current Civic Type R, potentially detuned to around 350 horsepower. This would still provide a thrilling driving experience and maintain a reasonable price. Rear-wheel drive remains. Thankfully, Honda will retain the S2000's beloved rear-wheel drive configuration, ensuring the handling remains a core strength. Manual transmission, hopefully. While the automotive world increasingly embraces automatics, enthusiasts are praying that Honda offers a manual transmission option. The Civic Type R's excellent 6-speed manual would be a natural fit. Whether there will also be a dual-clutch automatic remains to be seen. Lightweight construction. In keeping with the original's ethos, the new S2000 will likely be lightweight, utilizing aluminum and some carbon fiber components. This would contribute to nimble handling and impressive performance. Modernized, yet familiar styling, design is subjective, but expect Honda to blend classic S2000 cues with a modern aesthetic. Think sleek lines, a long hood, a short deck, and a nod to the original's iconic headlights and taillights. Honda's recent designs have been well received, and the S2000 is expected to fit nicely in that lineup. Why 2026 makes sense. Several factors suggest that a 2026 release date is plausible. Anniversary timing. 2026 marks the 80th anniversary of Honda Motor Company's founding. What better way to celebrate than reviving one of its most iconic models? It also marks the 25th anniversary of the S2000's original release in North America. Market demand. The market for affordable, fun-to-drive sports cars is experiencing a resurgence, as evidenced by the success of models like the Toyota GR86/Subaru BRZ and the Mazda MX-5 Miata. A new S2000 would slot perfectly into this segment, offering a more robust and premium alternative. Honda's renewed focus on performance. In recent years, Honda has made strides to re-establish its performance credentials with cars like the Civic Type R and the new Acura Integra. A new S2000 would solidify this commitment and further excite enthusiasts. Challenges and uncertainties. Of course, the return of the S2000 is not without its challenges. Stricter emissions regulations and the growing popularity of SUVs could make it difficult to justify the development of a niche sports car. The market is also very different from during the S2000's initial run, and getting the price point right will be vital. The verdict, hopeful anticipation. While nothing is confirmed, the rumors and speculation surrounding a 2026 Honda S2000 are enough to get any car enthusiast's heart racing. If Honda can capture the spirit of the original while incorporating modern technology and performance, the new S2000 could be a worthy successor to the legend. For now, we can only wait, hope, and dream of the day when we might once again hear the glorious sound of a high-revving Honda engine echoing through a winding canyon road. The return of the S2000 would be a welcome addition to the automotive landscape and a fitting tribute to Honda's rich heritage.